Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use lottie animation in webflow. So, go to the official website, obtain a lottie animation file .json, and then from the platforms like lottie files, or export it from Adobe After Effects using the body moving plugin. And then in the webflow designer, go to the add panel, drag and drop the lottie element onto your canvas, and then in the element settings panel D, click upload and select your lottie JSON file, and then the animation will load into your design. Adjust playback options like looping, autoplay, and speed in the element settings. You can trigger animations or on scroll or interactions using webflow's interactions panel, and then preview the animation to ensure it works as intended. Once satisfied, publish your site to see the lottie animation live. Using lottie animations in webflow allows you to add a lightweight, scalable, and interactive animations to your website. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next